Hi, my name is Christine Young with the University of Illinois iSchool, and I would like to recommend to you Tessa Dare's A Night to Surrender. Have you ever thought that you might be doomed to a life of spinsterhood? Does that sound like the worst thing in the world? Well, it doesn't have to be. In the Regency era, unconventional ladies were often doomed to a life of spinsterhood at best, or subject to cruel and inhumane medical treatments in an effort to cure them at worst. But in A Night to Surrender, herbalist Susanna Finch believes that ladies should be allowed to simply be themselves, which is why she helped turn the small seaside town of Spindle Cove into a retreat for unconventional ladies. She knows firsthand just how dangerous traditional medical practices can be, and works hard to ensure that Spindle Cove is a safe haven where ladies can rest, recover, and explore their unique interests. Unfortunately, Susanna's utopia is threatened with the arrival of Lieutenant Colonel Victor Bramwell, the new Earl of Rycliffe. Bram has only ever wanted to be a soldier. He never asked for an earldom, especially not one in the castle ruins above Spinster Cove. He has no use for women or sheep, both of which seem to have the run of this town. But the only way for Bram to return to battle after the injury that nearly took his leg is to raise a militia in Spindle Cove. So that's what he'll do. Bram is determined to turn the men of Spindle Cove into a functioning army, and Susanna is determined to keep the town a haven for young women. When these two clash, the ensuing sparks ignite a passion beyond their wildest dreams. Tessa Dare injects humor and levity into nearly every page of A Night to Surrender. Her characters are well developed, her writing style is very readable, and her plot is both well-researched and historically accurate, yet includes some sly modern references for the savvy reader. A Night to Surrender is the first in a series of 4 books with 3 accompanying novellas, and Dare has also written a number of other Regency romances that are equally entertaining. A Night to Surrender has also won both the Romance Writers of America 2012 Rita Award for Regency Historical and the RT Book Review's Reviewer's Choice Award for Historical Love and Laughter. Already read everything Tessa Dare has to offer? We'll be happy to help you find other books you'll love.